Today's date, September 21st, 2019, and we're here with Claudia, who's a physician from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This is the close of our two-day workshop. Most everybody has left, and I was getting demonstration treatment, so I didn't get to video them, and you're going to be speaking for all of them as well as yourself. So tell the viewer what you'd like to tell them.
Well, first of all, thank you so much for this fantastic opportunity. It has exceeded any expectation that I had prior to attending this conference. I have a background in osteopathic medicine, and finishing medical school, I was diagnosed with interstitial cystitis, and I had a really bad case, and I was told that they were going to have to take my bladder out, and I was going to live with a little pouch for the rest of my life. And I refused to believe that that was going to be my future. I have incredible faith, and I knew that there was an alternative to this. So my own profession failed me, and I literally set out to figure out how I was going to get better. And that was my motivation, to figure things out from a different perspective than what I had been taught. I have literally traveled the world to find a better way of helping my patients. And I can tell you that I have found that American physicians training integrative alternative therapies are perhaps not as generous as what I have found in my abroad training until I met Dr. Rowan. He is living his life purpose 120%. And I am really appreciative. The amount of personal hands-on experience that I have gotten in this course, I've never received before. I am pretty confident that I can leave this conference and actually on Monday go back, see patients, and start practicing and implementing all of the tools and knowledge that I gained. And I know I'm only speaking for myself, but all the people that have left likely would say very similar comments. If you ever doubt coming, please don't. This has been a fantastic experience, and I can't wait to come back. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You saw me do treatments on people. Do you want to comment on the results you saw? What you saw?
Amazing. You have to see it to believe it type of results.
Even on the doctors who came.
Yeah.
One of the doctors had a neck issue.
Yeah. Most of us received some sort of treatment, whether it was a prolotherapy injection, and all of us got a chance to experience
Ozone injection.
Ozone injection, and all of us got a 10-pass experience. One doctor had severe, actually she was one of the nurses, she had severe neck pain for many, many years. And after one injection, her pain literally was gone. So just like that example, we had other patients come in and they would share their stories of their past experiences in Dr. Rowan's clinic. And we've heard nothing but miracles from them. Very exciting to see.
Thank you. Do you think it's worth the money for everybody who came?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
Good. Food okay?
Food was delicious.
Good.
And very mindful. Gluten-free, dairy-free, lectin-free. Organic. Couldn't have been a better choice.
Thanks. I may post this on YouTube?
Yes.
Bless you. Thank you very much.